Caught a rain day and doing a little maintenance on my 2-cycle equipment. I've switched to pre-mixed fuels to see if it helps keep the equipment running a little better. They seem to run a lot better than using regular gas and pre-mixing. I'm going to take the plugs out. I've already got this plug out. Where's it at? Here it is. That's what the chainsaw plug looks like. That looks to be about right. Kind of a tan color. The piston, I looked down in the piston, and the top of the piston's a little black still, so it hadn't cleaned up all the black off the piston. I'll take this one out and see what it looks like. That one doesn't look too bad either. It's pretty much tan, so they're not burning lean. And it's probably hard to see, but the piston in this one is super clean. A lot cleaner than the chainsaw, which is good. So, maybe the premixed stuff works after all. But if any small engine gurus know more than I do about this, tell me if that looks about normal. The electrodes are tan, so it looks normal to me. Anyway, thanks y'all. See ya.